A postmodern view of the world posits that all truth is relative. For some, truth is socially constructed for the benefit of those who have power. For others, truth has no objective grounds, existing exclusively in the mind of the truth seeker. But these views lose sight of the ancient virtue of truth. How might we challenge them? Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. The study of logic gives us some useful tools to determine objective truth and understands its limits. Deductive reasoning uses general knowledge to draw conclusions about a specific case. If all systems have constraints, then I can deduce from that general knowledge that a business, being a system, will have a constraint. Inductive reasoning uses individual cases to form conclusions about general knowledge. The Geocentric Model had every cosmic object orbiting the Sun. When Galileo's telescope exposed Jupiter's moons in orbit around Jupiter, the ancient model could no longer be sustained, and the heliocentric model was validated. Abductive reasoning makes the claim to truth by starting with an observation or set of observations, then inferring the simplest and most likely explanation based on these observations. It's a method of multiple working hypotheses, progressively eliminated until the most likely is left standing. Forensic scientists use this method when more than one cause can account for the same evidence. The goal is to find the hypothesis that best explains not just one piece of evidence, but usually a wider class of relevant facts. Equipped with these examples of reasoning, we're ready to embrace the greatest gift the human mind has developed for the acquisition of knowledge and therefore truth, the scientific method. We have an idea. We form a hypothesis. We test it with an experiment. We analyze the results and we report the conclusions. The empirical method is inexhaustible if we think of truth as being a process and not a final destination. We must be humble enough to remember to be forever skeptical about what we find. We must forge the habit of actively seeking out disconfirming data and then have the courage to go wherever that data leads. My course for systems thinkers explores how to use logic and empiricism to deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.